As I promised in a previous video, we're going to look at numbers. So let's start with the number here, 1358. So how do we say that? So the first thing we look at, if you look at my number here, we have got 1358. So if we start with the 1, there are 3 numbers after it. So we know the 1 is now 1000. 1, 2, 3 means 1000. So 1000. If we look at the 3, we know this is going to be 100 because there are 2 numbers after it. So 300. And then the last 2 numbers, 58, we just say as one unit, 58. So if we say it from the beginning again, 1358. 1358. Don't forget to say the and before the last 2 numbers when you're saying big numbers. So let's have a look at another example. This number now is 2637. 2637. So by the same principle again, 2, there are 3 numbers after it, so we know that one is 1000, 2000. The 6, there are 2 numbers after it, so we know the 6 is 100. So 2637. So what if the amount is higher? So we work with the same principle as what we started with our first 2 examples. So let's take our next number here. So we have 25,911. So just the same, those last 3 numbers, they're the ones that dictate what we're saying. So 25, there are 3 numbers after it, 25,000. 9, 2 numbers after it, 900 and 11. 25,911. So you can work with that same principle. Get that beginning structure right, 1358, 2637, or 25,911. So once you keep that structure, then you've got numbers. And even if they get bigger, larger amounts, if you're working in millions, hundreds of thousands, that same structure as you follow towards the end. So 25,911. For example, we could have 325,911. 643,210. So let's just review our structure again that we spoke about in the beginning. So saying numbers, we have another number here. So 4,823. You say it after me. That's it. 4,823. Great. We'll see you next time for statistics.